Hello, Hoover kindergartners. This is Mr. Vassell, your principal, and I wanted to reach out today to you to say congratulations. As our Hoover kindergartners, I want to congratulate you on doing such an awesome job finishing your first year of kindergarten with us here at Hoover. We loved having you in the building, and I know this third trimester we were learning in a different way. But I heard from your teachers, I heard from Mrs. Brown, Miss Mangrich, Miss Gade, and Miss Packer, all the wonderful things you have been doing while distance learning. I got to see some pictures, I got to see some videos, and overall, just know you were greatly missed. I just wanted to send you this little message to say congratulations on finishing your first year of kindergarten, and we are so excited to have you back as first graders this upcoming fall. I loved getting to know you. I loved all the good morning hellos and all the waves I got in the hallway. I loved seeing you in your classroom doing wonderful things together with your classmates. And so, for your graduation from kindergarten, I wanted to share a story with you to wrap up your school year. The story is called Be You, and it's by Peter Reynolds. Be you. You were born to be so many things. My wish for you, no matter where your journey leads, is for you to always be you. Be ready to take that next step toward being an amazing human being. Be curious. Turn every stone, ask every why, and keep digging deeply. Discover your own answers. Be adventurous. Live a big life. When you are ready, step outside your comfort zone. Bravely explore new paths and see where they lead you. Be connected. Find kindred spirits. Be with those who make you feel like the real you. Be persistent. Keep going. Never stop. Keep going. Never stop. Keep going. Never stop. Be different. Be silly. Be quirky. Be odd. Be unique. Be weird. Be colorful. Be okay with being different. Be just the way you are. Be kind. Be understanding. Help those around you to be themselves. Listen, then listen some more. Learn more about who they are. Be brave. Try new things. Take a deep breath and plunge forward into new experiences. It gets easier every time you try. Be your own thinker. Think for yourself and set your own unique course. It isn't always easy, but you'll be heading in the direction of you. Be okay being alone. Take time to be on your own. Hear your own thoughts, your inner voice. Listen to your heart. Be patient. Being more you takes time. Take a deep breath. Relax. Let your future unfold at its own pace. It will be worth the wait. Be okay reaching out for help. When you need a helping hand, a compassionate ear, an encouraging word, reach out. As you voyage out into the world, remember, no matter what, you will always be loved. You are ready, so go ahead, be you. Be very, very you. Again, congratulations, kindergartners. I am so proud of you. Your Hoover teachers are so proud of you. Our Hoover staff is so proud of you. We miss you, we care about you, and we look forward to connecting again in the fall. And kindergartners, always remember, be respectful, be responsible, and have integrity.